It may seem like a truism that sleep loss is bad for your health, but we know surprisingly little about why. Scientists still don't know, for example, why animals who are completely deprived of sleep die even more quickly than when they're starved. Dragana Regulja's lab at Harvard University studies the effects of sleep deprivation.
We thought that if we deprive animals of sleep and if we see that there's an effect of survival and then we dig around the entire body in an unbiased manner, there's a chance that we may uncover some kind of cellular dysfunction or damage that could explain why sleep is required for survival.
These are scans from the small intestines of flies that were kept awake for 10 days in Regulja's lab. That neon buildup is a material called reactive oxygen species, or ROS.
So you could see that there is really extensive damage, extensive oxidation of gut molecules that follows accumulation of reactive oxygen species. So you can see damage to DNA, for example, and you can see cells dying. This thing that was happening in the gut immediately preceded the time when animals started dying. So that was a pretty strong indication to us that this might not be just a correlation, but might be causative for the demise of animals that happens during sleep deprivation.
Regulja and her lab were able to replicate their findings in mice. This suggests that a fundamental job of sleep is to regulate the ancient biochemical process of oxidation.
Oxidative stress is a consequence of sleep deprivation, and the gut is specifically impacted by sleep loss. And then that makes you think in general about the gut, kind of its very special role that it probably plays in our lives right now, and also that it has played in shaping animals throughout evolution.